Hello children, today I am here with the poem Daffodils composed by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud, also known as Daffodils, is probably his most famous poem. This poem was written in 1804, inspired by an event on 15th April 1802 in which Wordsworth and his sister Dorothy came across a long belt of daffodils. Now, let us read the poem and understand the meaning. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. In the first stanza, the poet was traveling aimlessly just like a cloud over the hills and valleys. At that time, suddenly he came across a large number of golden daffodils beside the lake and under the trees. The flowers were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Here the poet compares the flowers to the stars. They stretched in a continuous line just like the stars in a galaxy like the Milky Way. The flowers were visible as far as the poet could see, and he has never seen so many daffodils at once, so he is just overjoyed. The poet also says that the daffodils were tossing their heads as if they were dancing in happiness. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. In this stanza, the poet says that the waves in the bay were dancing and looking gleeful at the atmosphere, but the flowers outshone the lively waves in their happiness. Having such cheerful companion like the daffodils, the poet could not stop himself from being happy, so he gazed at them for a long time. He did not realize what riches he had actually got from the show put up by the daffodils. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. In the last stanza, the poet says that whenever he lies on his bed in a vacant or in thoughtful mood, the daffodils flash upon in his inward eye. The daffodils have become an everlasting memory for the poet whenever he is lonely, so he calls it a bliss of solitude, a blessing of staying alone. And whenever he sees the flowers in his imagination, his heart fills with pleasures and dances with the daffodils. Thank you.